This is a case of thickened descending colon in 60 years male patient complaining of constipation, and this descending colon is scanned initially at present by the convex probe. So how it will look, here you can see you have to place the probe in the area of descending colon, and you will see some round structure like this. This is the descending colon, this is the psoas muscle, and this is the left side of the extreme left side of the abdomen. Now we have to, how to suspect that it is descending colon is that it will be a very well defined structure, round structure with a sharp margin, hypoechoic margin like halo, and then just rotate the probe and take the longitudinal view. It is advised to do the scanning of the descending colon having this kind of picture by the convex probe, because you can get the overall gross appearance of the colonic anatomy. Sometimes if there is any diverticulum or epiploic appendigitis like diagnosis, you can see that in diverticulum this margin you will see some polyp like structure. It will be more clearly visualized with the linear probe, however, but to get the overall gross view of the descending colon, first you scan with the convex probe and look for the margin. See, this is uniform margin, and it is the thickened muscularis mucosa, outer muscularis mucosa. Now this type of colon, especially this large bowel I am talking about, whenever you see that there is a prominent muscularis mucosa, this kind of colon segment, it may have diverticulum or inflamed epiploic appendage, a structure which is what we say, you can read in detail the anatomy what I am talking about. In that the diagnosis is epiploic appendicitis, which is similar to the polyp only, which is similar to the diverticulitis only, and you see that this wall thickness which is hypoechoic, it is the muscularis, outer muscularis mucosa, which is thickened uniformly, and it is seen in diverticulitis and epiploic appendigitis. We will try to see if we can get sometime, because this type of small structures are not easily visualized, but we will try to see if we can get. For this you have to look at this outer margin for the polypoid projection. This was the longitudinal view, and in transverse view also you can scan. If there is some diverticulum, there will be outpouching of some structure which is hypoechoic. This is little bit difficult to diagnose, not to diagnose but to catch. If we are able to catch the pathology, this diverticulum, then it is very easy, but we should get the view. But this thickened muscularis mucosa is indirect sign of this diverticulitis and epiploic appendigitis.